Good day, viewers. This is going to be the first unboxing I'm going to do on here. Maybe more to come, maybe not. Do you know what the treasure truck is? Do you know what this symbol means? This is Amazon. Treasure truck. Amazon treasure truck. Essentially, if you've never heard of the Amazon treasure truck, all you do is you log on to Amazon, search for the treasure truck, and you may get a product on there that you like, that you fancy, that you have never had before at a variably good price. Today I picked up a Gorilla Pod stand. Can we guess what's coming next? And that's a really short camera. A Sony Cybershot. Together, these retail for around £180, £190. On the treasure truck today, they cost £100. And here's the special bonus. Because it was my first purchase with the treasure truck, I got a 10% off. Now, isn't that worth it, viewers? Let's start with... Oh, yeah. I should probably mention there were some sweets inside that didn't quite make it home. Except for that one, because I'm not a fan. The Gorilla stand. Bobbly. Yeah, I've got scissors. Ah, seesaws. Carefully cutting through this. Carefully cutting through a little round. That's not careful nor cutting through. Fingers it is then. Bear with me. Right, we're in. Yes, did that first time round. That's quite solid. No more sweets in that box. The Gorilla stand. That is a hefty on there, isn't it? Jobby. Joby, can that untwist with it? Wow, that is quite the stiff one. What? How? What? Surely that's supposed to move down inside there, otherwise why would it be cut out? No, well, that bit's not working, but other than that, we have bobbly stand. But that's what I've been interested in. The Sony DSC, I don't know what that means really, but WX350, part of the Cybershot series. I've seen lots of people online using these, but not this particular model, this range. Nice and carefully with the... Oh my god! I know it says it's a sticker, but still. They really give you all the sticky you could ever want. There we go, we're in. We are in, and first thing I see is the instruction booklet. Guys, do you know what to do with this instruction booklet? talking to the men. Do you know what you do with this? We don't read instructions. We put them away and let the women deal with them later. See, it's quite small, compact. The other models I'd seen a more expensive range had the viewfinder that flipped upwards. But yeah, safe to say I am liking the size. Says it's a 20 optical zoom, which is always a good thing to have because you never know how close you want to look at some bugs. Is that better? Right, let's see where the battery is. Not in there, that's good. Full-size SD card to go in that bit. And oh, they've printed that on the box, guys. We can't get rid of these instructions. Right, what? Okay, full-size plug. Can use that on a PlayStation somewhere. Who's going to put their wrists in? Hang on, that is just about the right wrist size for the Hulk. Oh, what? You seriously? That's a... We even have a transformer that goes with it. That says guarantee. Ooh, operations for One Touch NFC. Customers in Europe. And register your new product online. Oh, there's no codes. I was hoping I'd get some bonuses. Battery. Ah, there's another cable. That'll be really helpful to go with the plug. I was wondering if they'd gypped me out of one of these cables. It has to go in that way around then. Yeah, boy. Who needs instructions? I can put a battery in something. I've not got a memory card in there, but I can put a battery in it. And let's turn it on. Let's not bother with that. Okay, got to get the software online for it as well. How's that look? Looks kind of cool to me. Plenty of functions on there, all of which I do not know what any of it does. But somewhere I suppose I'm going to find it out. Why does that go around if it doesn't actually have any effect on? Oh, obviously flash mode, everybody knows that. Displays, press in for correct. Drive mode. I'm not going to be driving whilst using this, mate. Shut up. Ooh, brightness. Yeah. Menu. Right, menu buttons there. All your stuff. Set it up for wireless. That'll be cool. Oops. Send it to smartphone. Control with smartphone. I'm coming back for that shit. But I don't have... I'm currently using my smartphone as the camera to get this. So if I use this to record me using the smartphone, that's a whole heap of... I can't do that. Advanced! Yeah, and that's how big the camera zoom comes out. Let's go tighter with it. There we go. And all the way wide. Wow, that still sticks out a bit more than I'd have anticipated. Stereo output by the looks of that on there for the volume and sounds. I just got to find a SD card and see if I can't do something with it. But that'll be another time for another video. This has been the unboxing. I have been your host. Check back here for more random things that I can do with other stuff that I've purchased. Yeah, you know what time it is. Bye bye.